No, these aren't for you to chew on. No.
Layla, look at the puppy.
No, no. Stop the barking. Yeah. Yes.
Close Encounters.
Here, you play with one of your toys. Yeah, you go play with your toy. Whoops. Go on. Go play with your toy. Sorry about this.
Okay. What's the dog doing? Hi. Do you see the dog?
Oh no,
Layla, the dog's over here.
stop it.
Good puppy dog.
Dog, dog. Layla, can you say dog?
Yay!
Wow.
Just think she's another plaything. She barks at the balls too when it.
Oh, she's gonna throw the ball.
Throw the ball, Layla.
Very
Throw the
good,
ball.
Layla.
Throw the ball for the dog. Oh, Willa is like so pumped. Layla, bring the ball to the dog. Good job,
Look at
Layla.
that. Look at that. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. No, go get the ball. Here, this is your favorite one.
Throw. Nice toss.
Wow, I've never seen so much coming.
Oh, you didn't even see it. Go get your ball. Hey, hey! Without the noise.
Does she usually bark like that? In the morning? Does she always bark like that?
Never. No. Oh, it makes noise.
Layla, look at this one. Layla.
Look, Layla.
Layla.
Come on, look there. Go
Layla,
get it.
look.
Willow. Go get your ball. Oh, stop it. Really. I'm sorry. We've not experienced this before. Hey.
That's okay. Dogs are gonna bark. Good dog.
Hi, Layla.
Hi, puppy. Hi. She wants to say hello. Look.
Oh, look.
That's okay.
That's all right.
That's okay, dogger.
Throw the ball, Layla. Throw the ball.
Throw the ball. Ready? Watch
Close
this. Ready?
Encounters.
Go get the ball.
Who are you throwing it for, Nesh? Layla or...
Stop the barking. Just stop the barking.
Zilla likes
I'm
you,
so
Layla.
glad she's not afraid of her.
I think she
The
is.
dog's
but
more
she's-
afraid of her.
Oh, Layla's not afraid, yeah. Hi. Hi.
Look at that.
You want to have...
See?
Oh,
Look.
those are mommy's.
Oh, look at that.
I can't see without those. Thank you. Okay.
you give me a Kleenex, please?
We got a very runny nose right over here. I'll get it.
Come off. Okay, here. I'm just gonna get